This is the best way to store geraniums until spring. With this method, you'll enjoy beautiful flowers next year. Before the frost, dig up the geraniums from the garden or remove them from their pots. Shake off the excess soil from the roots. Remove all faded flowers and any new buds, as the geranium needs to focus its energy on surviving the winter rather than blooming. Also, remove any dried or diseased leaves. Next, prepare a paper bag and place the geranium inside, ensuring the entire plant fits inside, with only the roots sticking out. Tie the bag with string, but not too tightly. You can store the geraniums in a place where the temperature is between a few and around 10 degrees Celsius, such as a cellar or a cool cupboard. Make sure the bag is not exposed to direct sunlight. The bag can either hang or sit on a shelf. The important thing is that it's paper. And even if all the leaves drop, don't worry. This is normal. In spring, the plant will sprout new leaves, and once planted in the ground, it will revive even faster.